Then read that story yourself and send it to me with the audio recording. So let me start. Look at your page number 2. Read and enjoy A Key to Heaven, a play. Scene 1, King's Court. Tenali Raman, Courtier 1 and Courtier 2 are waiting for the king. There is a sound of trumpets and drums. The king walks in, all the courtiers stand up. Tenali Raman and courtiers. Good morning, your majesty. The king said, good morning. Where are my ministers today? I will discuss the new road project with them. Courtier 2 said, your majesty, a great sadhu is in our kingdom these days. The ministers are at that sadhu's camp. The king said, a sadhu? A great sadhu? Who is this sadhu? I don't know anything about him. Do you know something, Raman? Raman said, your majesty, I heard about this sadhu. He comes from the Himalayas. He can produce coins, holy ash, and fruits from the air. Courtier 1 said, and there is a long queue of people in front of his tent every day. They offer him gold coins, clothes, animals, grains, vegetables, and dry fruits. Courtier 2 said, he can cure any illness by puja, but you need to pay him a big sum of that. The king said, interesting. I want to know more about this sadhu. But you can go now. I will discuss about this sadhu with Raman only. The courtiers leave. The king said, Raman, what do you think? Is he a real sadhu? Good sadhus never charge money for their service. We need to keep watch on this sadhu. Raman said, yes, your majesty. I too feel something is wrong. The king said, Raman, go to his camp and find out more about this sadhu. Raman said, certainly, sir. So this is the scene 1 where the king call all them, call the courtiers and Tenali Raman in the court, and at that time he found that many of the courtiers were not there. So he asked courtier 1 and courtier 2 that where are the other courtiers? So they said there came a great sadhu from the Himalayas, and he can produce coin and holy ash and fruits from the air. He can cure any illness. If you have fever or corona, in today's day, we can say that the sadhu can cure corona also. But he charged a lot of sum. He charged money. He took money, gold coins from the people also. So the king had some doubt that good sadhus never charge money for the service to the society. So Raman also said that, yeah, even he also thought there was some big thing there. So then the king sent Tenali Raman to the sadhu and ordered him to find out, is he a real sadhu or not? So now let's see what happened next. Scene 2, the village. A sadhu with a long beard and saffron kurta is sitting on a platform under a tree. His eyes are closed. Some people are waiting for him to open his eyes and bless them. Tenali Raman enters and stands among the people. Villager 1 said, silence! Look there! The great saint is opening his divine eyes. Everyone bows to the sadhu. साधु महाराज की जय हो. Villager 2 said, placing a big bag in front of the sadhu, Your Holiness, please accept this sack of rice. Advise me, my lord, how I can become rich. The sadhu makes a sign to his assistant. The assistant take away the sack. Sadhu to the villager, My dear child, I am pleased with your gift. Now don't worry, I will definitely make you rich. We need to perform a puja at your house. Villagers, thank you, Your Holiness. I am so lucky. Please tell me what I need to do. Sadhu said, Dear child, now I need only 2 gold coins for the puja. Villager 2 said, It's all right. I will give you 2 gold coins. साधु सेठ बच्चा तेरा कल्याण होगा लक्षाधिपति भव. The villagers take out 2 gold coins and gives to the sadhu. Raman is watching this carefully. The sadhu puts the coins in his pocket and blesses the villager. Raman pushes the crowd aside and rushes to the sadhu. He falls at his feet. Raman, Your Holiness, you are the greatest saint in the world. Please bless me, please. Sadhu said, Get up, my child. Tell me your problem. Raman said, My lord, I have everything in my life. I have a big house, a lot of money, and a happy family. But do something so that I can go to the heaven after my death. Sadhu said, It's very easy for me. Come nearer. Raman goes very near the sadhu. Suddenly, he plucks out a hair from the sadhu's beard. Khata! Sadhu says, Ouch! He holds the hair up proudly and addressed the crowd. Raman said, I am the luckiest man in the world. I have the magical hair. This hair will take us directly to the heaven. He is a very, very holy man. Every hair of his beard is a free ticket to heaven. Villager 2, I also want to go to heaven rather than become rich in this world. Your Holiness, allow me to pluck a hair. The sadhu plucked a lot, but villagers pluck a hair. He again makes a cry of ah! Villager 3, one for me. Taka! People crowd around the sadhu and scream loudly. Raman says, My lord, please do not say no to your followers. Give them a key to heaven. The sadhu tries to escape. He falls down. People ran after him. The fake sadhu runs for his life. People chase him. Raman says, So that is the truth about this sadhu. You only wanted your money and gifts. We can be rich by working hard. We need not give your earnings to sadhus like this. Villagers say, Oh my God, oh my 2 gold coins. Raman said, Don't worry. The king's man will arrest him. Everyone will get his money back. Raman goes back to the court. So this is the story. I think that you have found it interesting, don't you? And